Good morning, crypto fam, and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. Whether you're watching on IGTV, Facebook or YouTube, it's a pleasure to have you here. Just quickly for everyone in the Telegram, Kurt's message. Kurt is taking a little step back from videos for the several weeks, months, who knows, going to spend a little bit more time with his family and his daughter and that. He did a hell of a lot of videos last year, and when you did some of the videos he did, like the Internet of Value, and then we did the documentary, there's kind of like nothing else to really say from his point of view. So yeah, no doubt when the price starts pumping or moving, or when some extremely informative or massive news breaks, I'm sure he'll be out and he'll be doing another video. Seen Sean and a few others in Telegram feel like LFC is falling apart. It's not. I started LFC, I started Love for Crypto, and I will be keeping it going regardless of what happens in the future. Kurt will always remain a part of it, make no mistake. So yeah, moving on. Cheeky little video, just a little bit about Xrapid. Now I'm gonna read off my second phone. I'm on Ripple Insights, so get yourself to Google Ripple Insights, and I like the way that's just refocusing himself, so we can see that my phone. That's a Samsung S10 phone for you, that baby. So get on that on Ripple Insights. How European businesses are using blockchain to expand globally. Globalization. At the recent Ripple Regionals event in London, 3 European business leaders highlighted their successful growth in exciting new markets from Mexico to the Philippines and beyond. We've spoke about that. Each company has used blockchain and digital assets to overcome the challenges of dealing with exotic currencies, and new banking partners making cross-border payments faster, cheaper and more transparent for their customers worldwide. These technologies have also helped them open up fresh markets in a cost-effective way and put them ahead of the competition. Here are 3 key learnings. 3 key learnings considered in expanding your business global reach. To develop growth opportunities, Euro Exim Bank. It facilitates trade finance across 80 countries, many of which are home to exotic currencies and where liquidity is difficult to get. Liquidity. Our challenge, Head of Compliance and Operations, Graham Bryant, told the audience at Ripple's Regionals, is to make sure that our customers can get a fast, reliable, trusted, secure service. The company's biggest potential growth markets are in Africa and Eastern Asia. However, many clients in these regions do not have easy access to euros or dollars, so they make payments in their local currency. Euro Exim Bank needed an alternative to the slow and expensive existing cross-border payments network. The slow existing correspondent banking network, SWIFT and the rest of it. So within just 3 months of first partnering with Ripple, the bank was using Xrapid to provide clients with on-demand liquidity for international transactions ahead of needing multiple pre-funded currency accounts around the world, instead of needing multiple pre-funded currency accounts around the world, sorry. So a quote here, we chose Xrapid because we need to make it easier to move funds as quickly and as cost effectively as possible, says Bright. Helping Euro Exim Bank to increase the velocity, volume, veracity and value of cross-border payments, Ripple has allowed the company to develop its key growth markets quickly and efficiently. So that said, they're queuing and lining up to use Xrapid there, Euro Exim Bank. Stay tuned on that. So number 2, access the inaccessible. Mercury FX. Mercury FX aims to make money move faster around the world to clients at a lower cost. To overcome the high cost and long turnaround times of the existing SWIFT network, the company turned to Ripple's innovative technology. We trialed Xrapid by sending a donation to an orphanage in Mexico that takes kids off the street and teaches them how to surf, said the CEO Alistair Constant. The trial was so successful that Mercury FX soon started facilitating payments from the UK business that imports Mexican food. Yes, have that Brexit. Yeah, food from Mexico, Muppets. The payments are moving a lot faster and cheaper than they would going through SWIFT, explains Constance. Mexico would not be in a target market for Mercury FX because of the high cost and time consuming nature of making international payments there. Now Ripple has opened Constance's mind to other potential lucrative corridors, starting with plans to use Xrapid in the Philippines. The company is completely rethinking its acquisition strategy and becoming a competitive leader in a range of new markets. The really exciting thing that Xrapid allows us to open up previously inaccessible markets with our clients, where our clients can trade freely at optimized speeds and costs. Wow. This has been out since February the 21st. This guy's kind of missed it. I need to try and stay up to date with Ripple insights. Number 3, find value and more. When TransferGo was founded in 2012, its goal was to provide same or next day international settlements for migrant workers. Today that's too slow, notes the company's head of operations, Thomas Snitker. In highly competitive remittance market, customers are looking for fast, most cost-effective providers to overcome one of its biggest challenges. Constantly spending time and money integrating with new banking partners, the company decided to use RippleNet. This is a big thing here now. So they use RippleNet, ex-current, shit like that. Snitker demonstrated to the Ripple regionals crowd RippleNet's impact with a test transaction to India. From the customer logging into their TransferGo account, the recipient getting the funds took just 7 minutes. 7 minutes through RippleNet. The funds are in the account, he emphasises. The recipient can withdraw those funds or go to the shop and spend them. But by next year, even that will be too slow, which is why TransferGo is looking to use Xrapid to settle transactions in as little as 2 minutes. Boom! So they go on RippleNet, they go on Xcurrent and all that, it gets faster and you think, yeah, this is good, it's getting faster, but next year still not. It's faster than Swift now, it's not fast enough for the future. Xrapid is for the future. The benefits for customers are more than just speed. Feedback from people carrying out real-time transactions to India suggests they bring peace of mind as customers are confident that the money will arrive. Ripple is giving TransferGo a real competitive edge in India, which is the largest global cross-border remittance market. The rest of the world will follow. The rest of the world will follow. Our vision is to become a global real-time payments company, says Snitker. We see Ripple as a strategic partner moving forward, moving value globally. Mercury FX's Alistair Constant drew nods of approval from the Ripple Regionals audience when he said, I see us becoming truly global citizens in the future, and therefore money needs to be truly a global commodity. This is an idea that chimes with Ripple's mission of allowing value to move anywhere around the world as freely as information, helping business in Europe and elsewhere expand their reach across the world. Boom! Boom! Fuck yeah, that was a nice read. Nice read. So they mention money, they mention value, they mention RippleNet being faster but not being fast enough for the future. They mention lining up and getting ready to go on Xrapid. What more do you need, guys? You wanted an informative video. There's your informative video out from the 21st of February. It's been that's been viewable for 2 weeks. See, I'm not looking for that kind of stuff anymore because I already believe it's happening. When you kind of like try, you think, oh, is this going to happen? Is that going to happen with the banks? You look for all that, and we found a shitload last year, and Kurt made the Internet of Value video, and we made the globalization video, and that's why I've now gone into tech, because I'm pretty fucking confident all the banks and institutions are lining up to use Xrapid through ILP. Yeah, they're going to have their own network, but make no mistake, we're talking about cross borders, cross network, changing currencies. XRP is the chosen bridge. So go and accumulate, wait, and hopefully you live long while you're hodling. Yeah, guys, we love you, we love crypto, and we love XRP. We see the fucking future. Have a lovely Friday. If you've been paid, you know what to do. Peace out.